In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly transfer your crypto to an external wallet using Crypto.com. If you're new to crypto or just need to brush up, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and simply, ensuring you're all set to manage your digital assets in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Crypto.com application on your smartphone. This is your starting point for transferring your crypto assets. Once you're in, you'll see various options on the app. Head over to the bottom navigation menu and tap on Accounts. This section is where you manage all your crypto holdings, giving you an overview of what's available in your wallet. Next, locate and click on Crypto Wallet under the Accounts tab. This is where all your crypto assets are held. It's crucial to be in this section because this is where you'll initiate your transfer. Now, once you're in your crypto wallet, look for the Transfer option. Clicking on Transfer will give you access to the functions necessary for moving your funds either within the Crypto.com ecosystem or to an external wallet. After selecting Transfer, you'll see an option to withdraw your funds. Click on Withdraw to proceed with transferring your crypto to an external wallet outside of the Crypto.com app. Withdrawing is the action that will allow you to move your tokens from the Crypto.com platform to another wallet. To continue, tap on External Wallet, which is the option you'll choose if you're moving your crypto assets to another wallet that is not within the Crypto.com app. If it's your first time making this kind of transaction, you'll need to set up your external wallet details. Next, you'll need to add your wallet address. This is one of the most crucial steps in the process. Ensure that you're entering the correct address for the crypto you wish to transfer. Entering the wrong wallet address can lead to irreversible loss of funds. So always double check that the wallet address matches where you intend to send your assets. Finally, once you've added and verified your wallet address, you can proceed to transfer your crypto to your external wallet. Simply specify the amount you wish to transfer, review the transaction details, and confirm the transfer. It's always a good habit to recheck all information before confirming to ensure accuracy and security. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a transfer of your crypto to an external wallet using Crypto.com. With these easy steps, you can confidently manage and transfer your digital assets, broadening your scope and control over your investments. Happy investing.